23 Monday, 8 a.m. live on NBA TV Philippines, One Sports, RPTV, and the Pilipinas Live app. Sabi nga ni Janet, tomorrow she will root for Tyrese Haliburton. Ikaw, Neil, sinong player i-root mo?
Sa SG.
Wow! The MVP, just like Creamline with multiple MVPs. 7-point lead. And a spark from Shola Alvarez.
Getting a check ball off Sheena Turing. They need all the attack points that they can get. Lalo na papalapit na yung Creamline sa 20-point mark.
Yung timeout kasi fireworks yung pinakinggan nila. So hopefully Shola could provide some fireworks here. Still down big by 6. What a service ace. So fireworks nga. Back-to-back points for Shola Alvarez.
Shank pass will give a 3-point to the Solar Spikers. Second service ace of Capital One.
Line, Negrito and Gumabaw are back inside. Alvarez, solid approach, finding that cross-court hit.
They're just down by 2 points. Wing spikers ng Creamline kung saan nakapwesto yung defenders. So if they backpedal, that's the time that they go for those drops. Shola Alvarez scoring once again for Capital One.
Gandang bawi kay Shola Alvarez. Take a look at this rewind.
So far gumagana yung mga substitutions ng Capital One. Every time they put people in, nakakuha sila ng puntos. Iris Colinada will have 3 attackers in Estrella Galdo.